Hello students, how are you? Hope you are doing well as usual. Now today this is second session on accounting equation and we are going to take up question number 13 of chapter 5 from T.S. Grewal and we are going to write accounting equations for the transactions given in question number 13. So let's begin. Commence business with cash 50,000. Commence business with cash 50,000. So commenced business. Again I am telling you, you have to write narration for transaction in proper way. Because of the space constraint, I am forced to write in such a way. Commence business with cash. That means business is getting cash and cash is your asset. So we open up cash under assets. And why he is bringing cash? Because he is investing in the business. When you invest in the business, it becomes your capital. So 50,000. Simple. Paid into bank 10,000. Second is paid into bank 10,000. Bank is your asset again. Since your cash is getting converted into bank, so cash plus bank. We will subtract 10,000 cash that is being deposited in bank and we will add 10,000 under this head. Okay. Now our equation will become 40,000 new equation plus 10,000. This is equal to 50,000. Clear? Okay. Cash is being deposited into bank. So 10,000 will be subtracted from cash and your bank balance will increase by 10,000. Clear? Purchase goods for cash 20,000 and credit 30,000. Purchased goods 20,000 for cash and 30,000 on credit. So since you are buying on credit, your new accounting head like creditor will have to be opened. And here we will write 30,000. And against this, we are getting stock or goods. What rupees? 50,000. Now, our new equation will be 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 50,000 equal to 50,000 plus 30,000. The total is 80,000. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 50 equals to 80. That means both the sides are equal. Clear? 20,000 goods have been purchased in cash and 30,000 goods have been purchased on credit. So in all we have received goods worth rupees 50,000. Clear? Now sold goods for cash 40,000, goods costing 30,000. Sold goods for cash 40,000. So you will get 40,000 in cash. Okay, and your stock, the value of the goods that you have sold out was for rupees 30,000. So minus 30,000. The stock will be reduced by 30,000. And the difference between these two is your profit. And that will be added to capital. So now new equation is 40 or 20 60,000 plus 10,000 plus 20,000 60,000 30,000. Now the total is 60 70 90. 60 and 30 90. Here again our accounting equation tallies. Now rent paid 500. Rent paid. Since rent has been paid in cash, it will be subtracted. Oh, sorry. Rent paid is 500, and since it is an expense, proprietor or owner's equity will be decreased by 500. Expenses will reduce capital. Incomes will increase. Incomes will increase capital. Clear? Now we see 59,500 plus 10,000 plus 20,000 equals to 59,500 plus 30,000. It is 89,500. Here also it is 89,500. Clear? Now rent outstanding rupees 100. Yeah. It means rent that was supposed to be paid has not yet been paid. So rent outstanding is your liability. So we will open another account, rent outstanding, and we will write plus 500 here, and since it is an expense, rent is an expense, it will be deducted from capital. That means because of this transaction there will not be any effect on assets. Only the liability has increased and capital has decreased on the right hand side. Clear? Now we will write 59,500 plus 10,000 plus 20,000 equals to 59,000 plus 30,000 plus 500. Here also the total of both the sides is 89,500. 59, 30, 89, 89,500, 30, 59. That means 89,500 is our total. Okay. Now let's move on to 7th transaction. 7 point, bought furniture rupees 5,000 on credit. Bought furniture for 5,000 on credit. That means furniture you are going to get, your business is going to get. It means your asset will increase in the form of furniture. 5,000. Since it is being purchased on credit, your creditor will also increase by 5,000. Okay? Clear? Now we will write the new equation. Now, after transaction number 7 of buying furniture, new equation comes out to be this one. We can add 59, 69, 89, 94, 94,500. 59, 60, 34, 94,500. That means both the sides are equal. Okay. Now we move on to transaction number 8. Bought refrigerator for personal use 5,000. Bought refrigerator for personal use. Since you are buying refrigerator for personal use, anything withdrawn from the business is drawings, and drawings will reduce your capital. Okay, do remember, whenever there is any sort of drawings, it will reduce your capital. So buying furniture for personal use for worth rupees 5,000 will reduce your capital to this extent, and your cash will also be decreased by this amount. Okay. Refrigerator bought for personal. Now new equation will become 54,500 plus 10,000 in bank, 20,000 of stock and 5,000 of furniture. This will be equal to 54,000 plus 35,000 plus 500. Okay? Clear? If you make a total 54, 64, 84 and 89,500. 54 and 35, 89,500. Both sides are equal. Okay. Now we move on to 9th. Purchased motorcycle for cash 20,000. Motorcycle purchased for 20,000 in cash. Your cash will decrease by 20,000 because you are buying in cash and you are buying motorcycle, and motorcycle is your asset. In this it is assumed that since it has not been mentioned that motorcycle is being purchased for personal use, so it will deem to be purchased for business. So we will use another account, motorcycle, in assets. So our transaction will be shown as plus 20,000. Cash will decrease, and this amount, decreased amount, will be shown in asset in other form of motorcycle. Okay. Now our new equation becomes 34,500 plus 20,000. Sorry, I have made a mistake. These were not supposed to be written here. These are plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 20,000. In order to make way for writing 20,000, I did this mistake. So this is 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 20,000 equals to same mistake done. Since buying motorcycle in cash will not impact the capital and liabilities, so all these will remain 0 plus 0 plus 0. 54,000 plus 35,000 plus 500. Okay, got it? Now we will add to find out if we have done, if our calculation is right. 34, 44, 64, 69, 89, 89,500. 54, 5 plus 3, 8, 549, 89,500. That means both sides are equal. Okay. Now, I hope this has made accounting equation very much clear to you. This is very simple and you can score total marks, 100% marks on question coming out of this chapter, accounting equation. Okay. Now we will make a balance sheet for this. Clear? Now we will prepare balance sheet of the previous question. I have noted down all the balancing figure. Last new question figures are written over here. Now, and on this basis we are going to write balance sheet. Okay. First of all, on the left hand side there were assets, and in balance sheet assets are shown on the right side. Okay. So we will write one by one. Cash 34,500, bank 10,000, stock 20,000, furniture 5,000, motorcycle 20,000, and all the liabilities and capital will be written over here. Capital 54,400. Creditors 30,000. Creditors for, or you can write vendors for furniture 5,000. Okay, and outstanding rent or rent outstanding, it will mean the same thing, 500. Okay. So sorry, capital was 54,000. Now we'll add 34, 44, 64, 84, 89, 89, 500. 54, 84, 89, 89, 500. Okay, this is how the balance sheet has to be prepared. Now let me tell you one thing. I made a mistake. I took the outstanding rent as 500 instead of 100. Actually in book it was 100. But due to mistake I wrote 500. Hence I have done the question accordingly. Okay. This was question number This was question number 13 of PS Gravel from chapter number 5 for class 11th, Financial Accounting. Here the name was given Raghunath. So balance sheet of Raghunath. Balance sheet of Raghunath, as on you have to mention the date if it is there in question. Okay. So I hope you must be very happy with the solution now, and you have understood quite well. This is what I hope, I trust. Okay. If required, I will take up another question on accounting question. Okay. Till then, take care. Goodbye.